Hello everyone. I just wanted to post a quick video showing off these cute little holiday envelopes that I made. These have just been listed in my store. So there are 9 of them. They're made from matte vellum, and the inside the label part is cardstock. I spent so much time, you guys, creating these and had so much fun doing it. They are all Coquette themed, so they have cute little bows and everything everywhere. So I'm just going to go through them and kind of show them off, mostly because I'm so proud. I'm like a proud mom showing off her kid, something that her child made. But anyways, you can get these in my store if you would like to. I'm going to start using these personally once the new year hits to start saving for the holidays. So anyways, enough talking. Let's take a look. So we have Valentine's Day. She's so cute with the little heart cherries and the bows right here. St. Patrick's Day. We got some green bows going on. Easter. Just some cute little Easter eggs. I was so proud of this little pattern that I made. It's so fun. If you guys don't know how to make patterns, you can look it up on Canva, and it is just so fun to play around with. July 4th, we have these patriotic bows, of course. Halloween, this one might be one of my favorite ones. These little ghosties, look how cute they are, and little spider webs. Then we have Thanksgiving with these little pumpkins and their bows. They're adorable. Christmas with these little candy canes and bows, of course. If you can't tell, there's that theme going on. And then New Year's Eve and birthday. So there are 9 envelopes total. I'm selling these right now. They are listed for $5, and you get the whole set for $5. The binder is not included because I figure I'll keep the price down that way, and also a lot of people have binders already. So go grab them. The link is in my description. Thanks for dropping in. See you next time.